Today we are going to learn about understanding dataset curation for LLM training. You will discover the key considerations and techniques for selecting and preparing datasets effectively, ensuring the quality and relevance of the model's outputs. By the end of this session, you'll be well equipped with skills to curate datasets for large language models efficiently. Welcome to our session on understanding dataset curation for LLM training. In this video, we will delve into the nuances of selecting and preparing datasets crucial for training large language models. We'll explore the importance of high-quality datasets, the characteristics that make them effective, and the various techniques for sourcing diverse data. We'll also discuss the balance between dataset size and quality, pre-processing steps, and addressing biases. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to evaluate dataset relevance and the tools available for effective dataset curation. High-quality datasets serve as the backbone of any large language model's performance. They ensure that the model's outputs are accurate and relevant to the tasks it is designed to perform. The quality of data directly influences the model's ability to understand and generate human-like text. Inaccurate or biased data can lead to a model that performs poorly, affecting its usability in real-world applications. By curating datasets with precision, developers can enhance the model's long-term reliability. This block highlights the critical role high-quality datasets play in the life cycle of language models, emphasizing their impact on the model's effectiveness in various domains. An effective dataset is one that meets several key criteria, ensuring the language model can learn efficiently and accurately. Firstly, diversity is crucial. A dataset should encompass a wide range of sources and perspectives to provide a comprehensive view of language use. Secondly, relevance is key. The data should be contextually appropriate for the model's intended applications. Annotated and labeled data add another layer of effectiveness, as they help the model understand nuances and relationships within the text. Balanced representation ensures that no single perspective dominates, which can help mitigate biases. Lastly, scalability is important. The dataset should be large enough to train the model effectively but manageable to process and analyze. Sourcing diverse data is essential for building a robust language model. One technique is to leverage online platforms and forums where a variety of discussions and language styles are present. Open access repositories can also be a valuable resource, offering datasets from various domains. Collaboration with domain experts can provide insights and data that are not readily available publicly. Crowdsourcing is another effective method, allowing you to gather data from a wide audience, ensuring diverse input. Finally, including data from multiple languages can enhance the model's versatility and applicability across different linguistic contexts. Finding the right balance between dataset size and quality is a complex yet vital task. An optimal dataset should be large enough to provide comprehensive coverage of the language but not so large that it becomes unmanageable or includes too much irrelevant data. Quality should always take precedence over sheer quantity, as high-quality data leads to more accurate models. Cost-effective strategies can include using synthetic data generation to augment existing datasets. Additionally, larger datasets require more processing time, so finding this balance is crucial for efficiency. Ensuring the dataset is comprehensive yet concise will lead to more effective training and better model performance. Pre-processing is a crucial step in preparing text data for training language models. It begins with cleaning and normalization, where extraneous characters and formatting inconsistencies are removed. Tokenization follows, breaking down the text into manageable units such as words or phrases. Handling missing data is essential to ensure completeness, often involving techniques like imputation. Data augmentation, which involves creating additional training examples by altering existing data slightly, can enhance the diversity of the dataset. Feature extraction is another vital step, focusing on identifying and using the most relevant parts of the data to improve model training efficiency. Bias in datasets can lead to unfair and inaccurate model outputs, making its identification and mitigation a priority in dataset curation. The first step is identifying potential biases, which could be related to gender, race, or other demographic factors. Mitigation strategies include balancing the representation of different groups within the dataset and using bias detection tools to spot and correct issues. These steps are crucial for ensuring model fairness and reliability. Continuous monitoring and updating of the dataset help maintain this balance, as language and societal norms evolve over time. Evaluating the relevance of a dataset involves several assessment criteria, ensuring that the data aligns with the model's intended applications. This alignment is critical for the model to perform effectively in real-world scenarios. The relevance of the dataset should be continuously assessed and updated, incorporating feedback from model performance and user interactions. This feedback loop is essential for iterative refinement, helping to ensure the dataset remains effective and applicable as objectives and contexts change. A well-evaluated dataset not only improves model performance but also enhances its applicability and user satisfaction. Several tools and resources are available to aid in the dataset curation process. Popular tools include open source platforms that provide a variety of functionalities for data collection, cleaning, and analysis. Community forums and online support groups can offer valuable insights and assistance, fostering a collaborative approach to dataset curation. Automation tools can streamline the curation process, reducing time and effort while maintaining high standards of data quality. Continuous learning and adaptation are vital in this rapidly evolving field, ensuring that curators are equipped with the latest knowledge and techniques to enhance their dataset curation processes. As we conclude this session on understanding dataset curation for LLM training, let's recap the key points we've covered. We've explored the importance of high-quality datasets and their characteristics, techniques for sourcing diverse data, and the balance between size and quality. We've also delved into pre-processing steps, addressed bias, and discussed tools for effective curating. Dataset curation is crucial for the success of language models and has significant implications for the future of AI. We encourage you to continue learning and exploring resources to enhance your skills in this vital area.